Check, check, my check. What is crack lagging? Check, check, mic check. Hopefully people can hear me. Yeah, the plans I had today fell through, so I figured I would just stream. Don't get excited though. But yeah, we got lucky. What's up? What's crack lagging? How you been? Okay, that's running. We want tests to go first, so in theory, that'll do that. Oh, yes, perfect. Is it running though? Okay, it's a start. Okay, so that's running, and then we will look at what happens if I just try to build the game normally. Every minute we get is free real estate. Hell yeah. I'm fantastic. Life is good. Can't complain. I ported all my stuff to that new repo. I think I talked about this last time I streamed, and now I'm just making sure that like everything works, which it doesn't right now, but that's to be expected. I got it done way faster than I thought I would, which is great. So now it's just figuring out, okay, what's broken and why. And the answer is always because I fucked up a merge somewhere, but we'll see. I'm optimistic about being able to run through this pretty good, so that's good. Alright, I want to look at the battle controllers. Yeah, because Wally looked fucked. Oh, interesting. No. I assume it takes quite some time to even make many changes to a clean slate. I thought it would take, like, the merges, I already did the merge. Like, I'm done. And, like, the game compiles and everything. There's just, like, a couple weird behaviors that I need to figure out. And not on my test pass. But I got done way faster than I thought I was going to. Like, it was much more mindless than I was expecting, which is great. Certainly not complaining. But yeah, I was just surprised at how quickly I was able to, it was all going to come together. So we'll see what happens. But I feel good. Yeah, no, I think it's super great news, all things told. But like, okay, so why is this come today? Okay, so I need to, let's see. So now if I do this, and I do a full refresh with none of this. It's crack like in Ruby. Actually, Ruby, since you're here, you know what? I'm going to review yours instead, since I don't know when I'm going to be back at a computer next. Yeah, I'll do that right now. Here we go. Complex quests. Okay, where did we leave off? Yeah, I know, right? Right in front of God and everybody. Okay, you've completed all the feedback, which is good. What else do I want to... Oh, we need to talk about your repo. I don't know what you need to do to get all these extra changes out, but I definitely cannot merge it in this state. I think the right play is to update... Let me think. I think it's to like revert your repo back to, I wouldn't do that, because what we don't want to do is fuck up the rebase and fuck up history for everybody who pulls this branch. That's what I don't want to happen. I did some thinking about this. I think the right way is revert this repo to like the commit before you started, or actually no, it's to revert this commit to the last commit of Unbound Quest Menu, I think, so that like it's a one-to-one copy of Unbound Quest Menu, and then use git patch to apply your changes to the new repo. Does that make sense? Like, I think that's the play. I mean, we can do it together. I actually just might do it myself. Actually, what would you prefer as a learning mechanism? Would you prefer me telling you, what's up, Mudskip, and you figuring you're not on your computer? Okay. Do you want to struggle with it? Or do you want me? I'm pretty sure I can figure it out in this stream. And you can just watch me do it. Like, what's better for you? Me doing it would be better? Okay, cool. All right. I'm not even convinced that I'm right, but like we're gonna learn together. Hey, Mudskip. Yeah, like I was saying, I had plans today, but they got canceled, so I figured I'd stream. Okay, step 1. How do I revert this repo? I think instead of reverting, I'm gonna make. I don't have write access to complex quests. Okay. We're gonna take complex quest and we're gonna look at the diff of it, right? Let's start there. No, that does not work. LFG is let's fucking go. Okay, let's see. Can I... Alright, cool. So this is a patch between Expansion Master. That's not what I want. I want a patch between Unbound quest menu and Ruby's things. Let's go find that. Okay, so let's... San Fran's Poke Emerald. Yeah, it's literally that emoji. That's actually a perfect way to describe it. And then Unbound quest menu. Okay. So these are all those. And then if I do diff. Okay, cool. That's step number 1. And then I want to... Oh, it didn't build. Hold on. I gotta fix this first. Is it because of the fucking... Oh, interesting. Nope, to big target. Okay, fine. Copy. Actually, I'll do it this way. No, I'll do... Checkout 6... Okay, so git checkout 6711. Okay. And then... No. And then I want graphics, unused, read frame. Can I do this? This won't work, right? Oh, interesting. Okay. We're cooking. Unused red frame, yellow frame, green frame, blank frame. Okay. Probably with wildcard.png. Maybe. Aha! Updated 0 paths. Okay, that didn't work either. Yeah, basically how I do it is that my expansion is what I forked, and I have another Pokemon that acted the changes on. That's basically what I do too. Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out like what's the smartest way to go backwards, and I don't quite know. All right, does blue underscore framework? Oh, did not match any file. Oh, wait, hold on. It knew exactly what files I was talking about. What the hell? Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at expansion. I could check out. So what I did off stream is I ran a script to see what files exist in Pokeemerald that aren't getting called anywhere, and I just deleted all of them. Clearly it didn't work very well. So I think what you are suggesting would just fix the problem. But I would like to be a little more surgical. But what's weird is on my other device, I got this to build. So that means I got caught up in some dumb caching bullshit, which is like annoying, but you know, whatever. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely weird. Okay, so it recognizes, okay, if I look at just the orphans, oh, no, I want diffs and I want left orphans. Maybe it is just, maybe instead of PNG, it's .bin files. I don't think so, but we're gonna try your idea. It's still 0 paths. I need to go further back, I think. Let's do 294. Git checkout 294. Graphics unused star under frame down. Nope. Does one specific... Ah, interesting. Okay, so I can do the specific files. So maybe I'll just do that then. Okay. Actually, can I see? I think I can see it through here. Okay, so now it's blank frame and green frame. Red frame. I did red already. Red, yellow, green. Okay, red. Red, yellow, green. Frame. Dot bin. Oh, what the hell? Graphics unused. Red, yellow, green. Did I spell that wrong? No. Does the compressed version work? Fascinating. Okay. Oh, it probably gets composed in graphics rules. That's actually probably exactly what's happening. Yes, that is what's happening. Okay, so now if I run this... Ah, okay, I am slowly understanding what happened on my other machine. Which is fine. Looks great, Archie. Fuck yeah. Alright, now it compiles. Okay, cool. So I'll just add those back. That's fine. Git add graphics. Okay. Restored. Needed frame sprites. Okay, so I'll do that. And then while that's cooking, I need to look at the CI. Oh, no, it's this. Okay. Okay. And does the frame rate problem still persist? Actually, hold on. Okay, great. Frame rate looks good. Okay. Trico Lorax confirmed. Hell yeah. Okay, cool. Everything, it compiles. Okay, now let's look at Pokémon. That's what I was doing. CD Emerald and git checkout. No, hold on. Git clean. Git checkout. Unbound quest menu. God damn it. And then we want to pull. Okay, so that pulls down everything. Okay, and then git checkout. Ruby, do you have a... What up, AGS? Ruby, do you have a local copy of my Pokémon folder? Or did you clone my repo? Okay, I did not. Okay, that's fine. You don't need to, I'm just thinking. Did guilds roll out to everybody? Because I see that everybody has a tag next to the username now. Which is cool. Not complaining. But I've noticed in the last 48 hours, a huge increase. And I think I was like the only one that had one for a while. So it was like, must have been a very slow rollout. Okay, so now if I do git branch, is it git switch.c? I think it is. Complex quests. It is, okay. And now if I apply your diff here, so let me grab it. Do I need to pass, is it 0? And then ruby.diff. Let's see. It's not 0, it's O. I always forget. There we go. And then it's git apply Ruby diff. God damn it. What did I do wrong? Oh, does it need to be a patch file? It might be, because they are technically different. Yes, that's what it was. Okay, cool. So if I do patch and then ruby dot patch and git apply ruby dot patch. Okay, I think we have cooked. Okay, did you only touch these 4 files is the question. More viewers in Discord than on Twitch, Rip. I got you. Thank you, Fun Zone. It's fine. I don't care where the viewers are as long as people are having a good time. Yeah, let's check your list, but I think this is everything. Actually, we can do this. Hold on. Yeah, where's event scripts? Oh, is that not one of the ones that gets touched? No, it is. See, you added constant quests here. Unless... That's interesting. Okay. Does this build? I'm not expecting this to build. Let's see. Ooh, I know who Croppy is. I'm hip. I'm cool. I know what the kids are doing. I know it's a Sanrio character. Okay. I could also just cherry pick these, but I don't think I'll do that. Ah, I see what you did, Ruby. I think... Interesting. Okay, Ruby, I think you... Okay, wait, hold on. Let me look at complex quests. I think I have figured out the problem. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you forked expansion, made a branch off expansion, and merged in Unbound. So you have expansion changes. That's why. They're not future Pokemon mode. So yeah, this was doomed from the start. Which is fine. But now you know. Yeah, no big deal. I'm glad we figured it out now, that it was like, oh, this would have just never worked, which is fine. Like, that's a good thing to learn at this stage. Okay. 11:52p. What is that resolution? What are you streaming from, a smart fridge? I don't know the answer to that question. I'm not as tech savvy as I should be. And so this is just like the monitor that I have. It's like slightly wider than a normal monitor. It's like a 34-inch. Hold on, my arm is being weird. And it's at like the max resolution that my video card can handle for this monitor. Been making decent progress on my own project here so far. Oh, time to show off. Come on, spill the tea. Interesting. Ah, and Ruby, and that's why you have more changes in your branch than me, because you are trying to update base expansion. Okay. It's mainly species polishing and adding. Okay. Which is still important. Polish work matters. Ruby, do you have a testing script laying around? Like, how do we know this works? Or like, what were you doing to validate that things are working correctly? Oh, poor script. I haven't touched my hack in like 3 weeks because of uni and work. Oh, that is the worst. I fucking hate that. I hate when like life gets in the way of the thing you really want to do. I want to do more, but I know I'll get distracted from stuff I really should be doing, so I keep putting it off. No, I get it. No, I totally get that. Damn, I just added the scripts in the truck. LOL. Like, I'd like. Okay, do you have like a quest laying? Like, you have a script laying around that you were using, or should I just make one from scratch? I think that's what I was asking. Yeah. I always make it from scratch. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, Phone Zone, my dream is like quit my job so I can just work on this because it's so much more fun than anything else. Yeah, there's hella people, but it's a Saturday night in the US, so I'm not like shocked. Bird VTuber asking for breadcrumbs. You're damn right. I'm just allergic to doing repeat work. Deathly allergic. We didn't have this many last Saturday. You might be right. I went around and experimented with some sprite edits for a certain character. Well, what exactly were you experimenting with, out of curiosity? I'll be back in a bit. All right, we'll be here. Auto Corona. I wish I knew who that was. Damn. My lack of culture strikes again. Okay, so there's no save, and I don't even remember how this thing works. I gotta do like set flag sys quests, right? Okay, the blue clock lady. Okay, I do remember a blue clock lady. Yes, that's coming back to me. Quest menu get. Okay. Quest menu. Damn, imagine not knowing the ins and outs of your own system. Okay, Mudskip, it's even worse than that. Not only do I not know the ins and outs, but the version in my hack and the public version are very different. I made a bunch of edits to mine, so like this is more alien to me now than it was like 2 years ago. Like, I think I made this mistake because I think I did rename my flag. And yeah, it probably happens to everybody, Mudskip, but it's still a little embarrassing, you know? Just a little bit. Ooh. She's pretty. This looks great. Fuck yeah. There you go. You can see Natu looking up at them, nodding in approval. I will also fire react. Okay, so this makes the flag go, and then... Actually, before we do anything else, let's do this. Git add ASM data include quests and source. Oh, okay. Git add include. Okay, so let's just do first version of Ruby's PR. I gotta go fire react too. Man, I was code so weird. I wish I'd made a doc with an API or something. Dude, my favorite is who the fuck did this? You hit git blame and it was you 3 years ago. It's my favorite ROM hack, or favorite programming content, not even ROM hacking. Okay, so git push set upstream origin complex quests. Okay. Cool. And now, so I need Pori scripts still. That's annoying. Okay. So why is it quitting here? I need to find someone running Pori script on the CI and figure out what the fuck they're doing. I have Pori script installed, so it should just Oh, interesting. Pori script, no such file or directory. Does that not get committed? Do I not have that? Because I know you're not supposed to commit binaries, but yeah, that's exactly it. Me when I pull up coming and see conflicts on my time macros because the ones I PR'd. Okay, Ruby, yeah, why is mine not work? I imagine I'm doing something silly. Okay, I'll just look at your CI. I'm gonna cheat. Sounds good. We love cheating in this house. Actions. Okay, and if I look at code, oh, this is documentation. Boo. I just copied it from Rave. That's fine. Okay, GitHub, workflows, build. Oh, somebody has an actions. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna copy. This is way better than what the fuck I'm doing. Holy moly. But actually, well, hold on a second. Does this overwrite your font config? I assume it would. And that's a problem. Because I have 3-line text in my game. So you are using PoryScript as is out of the box, no changes, I assume? Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is... I wonder... Alright, does this guy have... I'm seeing a lot of memes about how court raises stuff in fantasy settings, more pro like programs, like people, just a bunch of guys mulling over magic runes, bizarre static areas related hitting people out here changing PoryScript. Yes, I actually at one point forked PoryScript, but then the feature I was forking for got merged in. But PoryScript has the option to format for 3 lines of text instead of 2, and I am using that because my boxes are bigger. But this command as it is going to overwrite my file, which is a no-go. So I wonder, release downloader. Okay, download the attached zip file now. Outpath, yeah. PoryScript can use submodules now. I have not looked into this. But this is, I have to install Go for that, right? And then just build PoryScript on CI. Yeah, I was doing that at one when I forked PoryScript. I was doing that myself. That might be better than this. That might be better than this. Extract false. Leah doesn't even like PoryScript, and yet. Oh, she doesn't. I didn't know that. It's just, I've yet to meet anybody who used it and then didn't like it. That's actually surprising. Download assets. Reads a release using its ID. Interesting. Maybe I'll just do this submodule like an adult. They don't like scripting in general. Oh, I mean, I also don't like scripting. PoryScript just makes it bearable. Like, yeah, PoryScript is a means to less evil interactions when possible. I think I would agree with that if I thought the underlying scripting language was worth understanding. Like, it does do a lot of heavy lifting and obfuscation, sure. But, like, I don't want to know what's underneath. There'll be monsters in there. Ah, fuck, I modified them. Ah, god damn it. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's try this, and then git add data. Takes truck. Okay. Okay. Let's try this instead. Alright. And then... Meanwhile, chat spot success recently. I managed to convince someone to switch from binary block. Oh, hell yeah. Congrats. It's one hack at a time, you know? Baby steps. Okay, what am I doing? I'm helping them port over. You're doing the Lord's work. Yeah, I would get someone to switch and then promptly be like, okay, bye. Yeah, prayage for sure, dude. Okay, fuck, what was I doing? Alright, let me go back to complex quests for a second. Okay, so this is now, if I look for... I gotta refresh. Complex quests. And if I... So many quirks I'm not used to, like having to make clean on every graphical change. Oof, that sounds miserable. Surely that can be... Surely that's just a mix file change, right? Like that is fixable. There's no way that's for realsies. All right. Okay, so Ruby. So you have... Okay, so the macro update quest. You give it a quest. Okay, why are we... How do I make you the owner of this PR? There's gotta be a way to do that. Let's see. Complex quests from clean repo. Okay, can I assign this to you? I wonder. No, you have to be in my org. Okay, fine. Okay, so a couple things, Ruby. One, why are you asking for a quest variable here? I have a feeling I know what you're going to say, but I want to confirm that I'm right. That's the variable hooked up to the quest. But don't you already know the variable hooked up to the quest? Yeah, no, the answer is we forgot to just come back to this, I assume, right? Like, this wasn't an intentional design choice. It was a whoops. Yeah, no big deal. Okay, so let's fix that. And then quest update is fine. That makes sense. Open quest menu. Why are you opening quest menu after this? Why do we have to open the quest menu after it updates? This should either be a separate macro. Like, I don't want to open the quest menu mid-script. If like, hey, I need you to save kids from the burning building, but then I have to keep talking, right? Or take a true, false parameter. Okay, that seems reasonable though, Ruby, I hope. Actually, okay, while I'm waiting for you, let me see if I can off screen, if I can add you to the repo. Okay, collaborators and teams and login. Yeah, that does sound like absolute torture. Manage access. Direct access. Add people. Okay. Ruby, Raven. Aha, okay. Right. Add selection. My face will end proc is 1. Yeah, that sounds like a special kind of hell for you specifically. Okay, gotta ban a kickbot. Let's see. Mute and ban. Okay. Okay. Let's see if Ruby gets that invite. And then what does this need to be a separate file? And this move to include a constants quest. Okay, and then this move to quest strings, is that? I don't remember actually. Quests. Oh, shit. I have accepted. Great. Okay, can I make you the owner of this repo or this PR now? Okay, assignee is doing. Okay, let's try this. Ruby. Okay. And so now. Okay, Ruby, now if you go here, are you able to like accept like do you have push rights to this branch now? You should be able to pull and push my Pokémon World repo now, and you should be able to action on this stuff. Hell yeah. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna leave comments on this PR then and let you deal with them later. No rush. Okay, and now... Okay, so we can get rid of that. So I think you can close your old PR entirely now. And just work off of this one, and then I'll merge this one. You could do that, yes. Nothing would stop you from fucking it up real good. Great number, great pick. Welcome back. Okay, oh yeah, I was checking to see if that file is in this repo. Include... Include quests. Ah, see, this is another change. I made my repo. I put quest strings in their own. Oh, okay, yeah. They're in the strings file. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I am but a fraction of the GOAT PSF is. I mean, I don't think I'm much GOAT-like. I'm a cool guy, sure, but PSF, you put your quest data in the header. Look. Okay, actually, first of all, no mud skip. In my personal repo, yes, that's exactly what I do. In this public one, no. It's all in source quests. But me personally, yeah, I have everything in source data. I can't hear you. It's lagging hard. Oh, poop. I'll just respond via text. In my personal repo, yes. In this public one, no. Okay, another person to ban. Let's see. Mute. Okay. Okay, and then these move to if you did that for this repo, I would accept that change, but I would not blame you if you didn't. Definitely is the norm and should have happened. I mean, there's a lot of things that like I had to resist the temptation to rewrite this public implementation and release it, and the fact that like plenty of hacks are just using it and the sky hasn't fallen tells me it's fine, and any time spent refactoring it is just like wasted time. But like Mariamon is out. It works. Do as I say, not as I do. You're damn right. I want to put data there. Yeah. Strings file with. Okay, add review comment. And then this can stay here. Got rid of that. Okay, that's good. Okay, this looks good. Don't worry, Mudskip, I will fix it in expansion port, which I forget if I should do or not. I don't think it's worth you doing an expansion port, like a public one, because the changes are so minimal. Like, it's just the object sprite stuff, right? Like, that's really it. I don't think it's worth your time. Oh, I see. It's not a port. Like you would port it and then like update it to all new fancy stuff. See, there's the problem, right? Like once you start doing that, I promise you, Ruby, you're gonna find like 12 other things that you should do instead. And then you're gonna be like, oh, well, I'll just refactor this and refactor this. Like it's just this never-ending string of stuff. But I hear you. Cheese SDK. This is an insane fucking this is an insane iceberg. I love it though. Yeah, like I think if you want to, Ruby, I'm certainly not going to stop you, and I will certainly accept a PR that does it. But damn. Yeah, I want to see this whole iceberg image. This is an insane image. Also, I need to write the... It's way easier to put them somewhere else than when you apply. People don't like to just put the array to C file and have the H file. Holy moly. Oh, wrong PSF. Damn. Got it. That was so good. Hold that, dog. I knew that was going to happen eventually. I'm just surprised it took this long, to be honest. Okay. How much do I know? How much do I know in the iceberg? Let's see. I have never seen this now. I'm surprised that you're surprised I haven't seen this. Like, if it's not posted in the channel that starts with the expansion dash, I'm not gonna see it. It's a general GBA once everything is Pokemon related. Let's see, screen mods. I am in Pokémon World sometimes, but this didn't get posted there. Junior PSF would have it. All right, years. Okay, actually, okay. It's possible this was posted when I didn't understand any of it, so I just skipped over it. Like, how many years ago, right? Like, the GB is kind of like a portal. Okay, the top ones I know. Let's see. JDS runs GB natively, VB Naxi, Tonk. Okay, the second line, I know everything but Butano in the second one. I will not put data in my DevKit Advanced. BG score registers right only. Ham keypad state is inverted. Watching Shrek. Okay, I know half of the ones in the middle. The fake no cache GB at home. That is lore right there. That's an old one. No division of floating point. This is insanely low. No division floating point is definitely in the sky. This is way too fucking low. EverDrive save type overrides. Bitmap mobs are affine too. I knew that. Annotated broker. That's funny. I think now I'm lost. No such thing as Sappy. I've heard Pidgey say that before. MGA ambulance VB for fire attacks. Didn't know that, but that's funny. Okay, yeah, anything in the very bottom, I don't know. But we're getting there. This is fun. Yeah, now my new goal. Kitty Cot, beware Nintendo. What do you mean, Kitty Cot? Like, are you talking about this image or just me working on a fan game in general? Because if it is the latter, go for it. Come on, Nintendo ninjas, come get me. Me streaming my programming development, I cannot imagine is worth you coming after. Alright, and then I'm gonna ban you. Spam bot. Did you not scroll down? Wait, there's more? Oh my god, there's more. Holy shit. Tonk is short for DevKit printout necessary. Nope. Clean Windows. Okay, I definitely don't know any of this stuff. Nope. The real Mode 7. Repo factory hacks your game to make saving work. The secret green bit. Nope. We got so many more bots now that PS7 is more popular. Yeah, I have noticed more bots today than usual. Software switch. Yeah, everything past here, Archie. I know nothing, but I'll get there. Okay, and then you unwound the macros. You did a great job. And then, oh, you updated get quest location and get quest description. Thank you for that. Yeah, I want to know what the green bit is. Okay, and then are these declared up top like the funny bit? Yes, they are. Okay. Okay, hold on. Get sprite ID. Okay, walk me through these. Forget sprite ID complex. Where are you? Why is it named complex? I guess is what I'm asking. Like, these should just be get quest sprite and get quest sprite type, yeah? Yeah, okay, cool. I'll make a note. Rename to get quest sprite and get quest sprite type. Okay. That seems good. Don't care about that white space. It's fine. Although we don't need all this extra white space. So while I'm being pedantic, actually, I'll be kind. Here we go. Actually, these could all just be suggestions. Now I'm thinking about it. Okay, hold on. if I delete this, so this is now, when you say, what are the other ones called? Get quests. Okay, so we'll do get quests, right? Today I asked a friend how big his cat Rufus is since he's a Maine Coon cat, which is a very big breed cat. He said he's already dead. Oh no! Oof. I mean, you couldn't have known, right? But that's still, that is a feels bad man if I've ever heard one. Oof. Okay. May Rufus rest quietly. I said West. Jesus Christ. I don't even have a lisp or a stutter. I have no speech impediment. And here I am. Okay, and then I will pop out for a small bit to the other side. I don't know what that means, but I'll see in a bit. The other side, I'm scared. Oh, okay. See, that's why they pay Archie the big bucks. That's why he has the cool Discord server. He gets it. He understands what the kids are saying. Also, actually, hold on. These should be 32 for sure. Oh, she's looking at Irv's stream. Got it. Literally the other side. Also, is it not Irv? IRIV? Irv? I've definitely said Irv to his face and he didn't correct me. Irif? Shit. He definitely didn't correct me, so that's on him at that point. Iriv? Okay, no, Iriv makes sense. Yeah, I'll take that. Oh, Archie left. Damn, I was just about to ask Archie a question. Shit. Alright, well, whatever. Maybe he'll be back later. Wait till you hear Isaac. What? Is this a balls joke? Am I about to get hit with a balls joke mix-up? I play on Isaac. Okay, thank you. Okay. 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 He said himself, not many people get the joke. Yeah, that definitely would have been lost on me for fucking sure. Okay. And then my homework is, and maybe I'll do this off stream, I need to write a migration script from, probably Python, from the old one to the new one, the unwinding macros. Yeah, I'll do that myself. Alright, cool. Alright, back to my hack. Alright, but Skip, I think you've convinced me to do a submodule instead, but I'm annoyed about it. Yeah, basically that give. Let's see if I'm looking at, okay, so if I do git rmrf tools PoriScript, okay. Oh, interesting. Honestly, worth it. I really never use Rules to go straight to. Like I said, I used to. I just undid it, and so now I'm annoyed at the fact of going back to it. That's all. Maker tools. Okay, so cd tools git where's PoryScript? Well, if you want to not have to compile it, I mean, once it's set up, it's fine. It's just adding Go. It's like one more step. It's not hard. It's just, it's annoying that I'm doing it again after undoing it, which is like a problem that I fucking created, right? Like, I'm basically just being a bitch. Like, you are right. This is what I should do. Okay, why is PoryScript still here? Okay, and then git clone. Why is it git clone? Yes. Okay. Okay, so now if I cd into and then build from source. Let's see. Installs a git submodule. Oh, should I just have done this instead? I should have. Okay. Well, there's still time. cd rm. Dude, I always do shit the hard way, and then it turns out that there's a tutorial the whole time for me. It's like the story of my life. I just gotta let people make things easy for me. Okay, cool. Pin your submodel to related release. Okay. I'm just gonna, yeah, I always do want to set the latest version, yes. Okay. I did that already. Oh, it's slightly different? Oh, so that when I make tools, it doesn't rip tutorial for submodule. Yeah. Just like there's instructions right here, just like doing it the right way. And I was not doing it the right way, so I'm glad I thought to look. Okay. Ah, yes. Make tools. Okay. Yes. PoryScript. Okay. And then I already made these makefile changes. Commit your changes and push through node. Oh, interesting. And I didn't do this part either, so that's fun. Okay. Should I? Actually, I think I will. Make your changes and then push through it. Okay, so now... Git modules. Okay. Git add. Okay, why is this not adding? Is it in my git ignore? Git ignore. Dude, why does Kick always unmute itself? I do not understand. Get it together, guys. It's not in my ignore. Oh, it's already... Oh, I see. Git add. I see what happened here. Okay. And then... Installed submodule for PoryScript. Okay, and then... And I already have Go installed, so this should be easy. Okay. Automatically rebuilding among 2 new version. Okay. I wonder how it is to make moves for base fire. It probably is painful as it is in Emerald, if not more. Yes, certainly not as easy as expansion. That's a promise. Get push. Okay. Make clean. Huh. No rule to make target clean stop. What the fuck does that mean? I have never seen that before in my life. It's almost certainly... No, it's almost... I changed something in the make tools. It's almost certainly that, but let's also look at the make file. Let's just see. I didn't change anything in the make file, so... Clean. Interesting. Clean assets. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to leave all the tool directories alone. Okay, so what if I just build? Let's see what happens. This is, how do you pronounce it? I pronounce it GIF, but I'm not gonna get into a fight about it. Hopefully it answers the question. Yeah, I know. The G is for graphics. He should pronounce it the game way, and the guy who invented it is an idiot. Like, I know. I don't feel strongly enough. Like, this is not a hill I'll die on. Gun to my head. Like, I'll just. Oh, are you surprised that I'm the only person doing this? Okay, I'm waiting. I'm holding on. Okay, no target specified and no make file found. Oh, I love Jet. Jet is one of my favorite YouTube channels. You ever have a content creator that like the minute they post something you go watch it? Jet's on that list for me. It's like among my favorite shit. I love what it was April Fool's being Mario related. Hell yeah. Pros when they play Ace Attorney. I need to differentiate shit from GIF somehow, so I use other pronunciation. Like the peanut butter, or is that something else? Are you down to play 1 to 2 Jet videos, like on stream? Yes, the peanut butter. How often are you talking about GIF peanut butter that it matters? That's like I hear you, but that just feels like so oddly specific. I am a terrible reaction streamer, I have to say. Yeah, it's just not like I am not a strong reacting person to begin with. Like I'm pretty muted. And so I always find myself like overextending when I have to react to stuff. So I only let's literally me Ruby for everything. And so I save reacts for like big stuff. React these nuts. We enjoy being with you. I appreciate it. Okay, I have Pori script here. Okay, so ls. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Where's building from source? Okay. Okay, so I need to do... Oh. CD tools. Ori script without doing the other stuff. Okay. And then go build. I have seen this one, yes. I think I've watched everything from the channel at some point. I would be surprised if I haven't. It's also just a great fucking channel, so I'm not... Even this new one, let's see. chat, should I start with making the moves already instead of procrastinating it? Yes, I saw the Eggman Crypto Mind. Where turns out Knuckles... Oh no, is it Knuckles or Tails? I forget which one. One of them just like does not understand how it works. Yeah, Pussy in Bio is great. Yeah, there's so many moves, Ruby, or so many Jet videos. Both. The correct answer, the judges were looking for both. Even you and me. Wait, yeah, are you Shadow and I'm Black Doom because I'm Dad? Is that how this works? Random tidbit or random side note. I love the Sonic 3 movie. It was great, but I'm sad that Black Doom just got kind of written out. That's fine. I don't need that. Radical Highway is very cool. Great movie without it. Let's see. Okay, let's try this then. So now... Oh, what the hell? No target specified and no makefile found. Oh, duh. I was about to freak out. Okay. Black Doom hasn't been around. Nobody said it was created from Robotnik. J99. If you pick a big number, it will just use the max number of cores. I do not have that many cores. Here, let's see. How many do I have? And proc. Okay, you're right. We could get more. I have 4 cores. I was wondering if I stream Sonic games in here. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I have 4 cores, but on my laptop, I have 8, I think. So I just use 99 for everything. I also recently learned, I think someone in this chat told me this, that just J by itself will just automatically use the max number of cores. Threat, yeah, close enough. Yes, PSF Junior, you should definitely stream some Sonic. Do it. Why wouldn't you? Okay, no target specified. What are you talking about? See a error message above for more details. That is like the least helpful fucking error message. Because I don't even know what the problem is. Oh, hold on. Git add. Removed. Extra file. Is there a makefile in tools Pori script? Let's find out. ls tools. There isn't. Why isn't there? I just cloned the repo and I ran install go. I think makefile is just for C, isn't it? Also, I should just go back to my repo at this time when I was doing it and look at that. Horse script by itself inserts itself in the normal makefile. Wait, really? The repo you added is... Yeah. I copy and pasted from here, so I hope it was... If it wasn't HurdleM, it's because I was lied to. Install as a git. Yeah, I literally just copied this. Oh, wait. Okay. Here we go. We're cooking. And I made the makefile changes already. Make sure the Pori repo is on master branch. Ah, it is not. Rather than release tag. Okay. Should we... That's probably what it is then. CD tools git checkout. The pick of the moves to do did not send. Oof, you have to do all those? Bro, just get this guy to use expansion. What are you doing? Stop. Oh no. No, just use expansion. Stop. I spelled checkout wrong. Okay. At least focus. I mean, I'm all about autonomy. Like, what do you need in Fire Red that you can't just port or that we don't already have? Nope. That did not do it. Oh, I see. Hold on. I think I might know what it is. Get clean. Tools. CD. Core script. Go build. Let's try this again. Okay, PoriScript is in here. Another curate, who would have thought? Because supposedly it's just supposed to be a graphical reskin of Kanto. Ugh. Fine, I understand. I'm still mad, but I get it. Oh, we did it. That was it. To be honest, the one who came up with this is not the main dev. Oof. You gotta get cleared by the main dev. Does the main dev know what nonsense is going on in that repo? Oh, Mudskip, if it looks like it crashed, convince the main dev. Yeah. The repo's new. Get him. Get dad in there. Come on. No, it looks like it crashed. It didn't. I just have all my useless outputs going to dev null. I just didn't want to see. I don't need my fucking screen scrolling 800 times. She's a different guy doing moves and building and whatnot. Wait. Yes, exactly. Wait, hold on. So you convince the main dev to move to binary, but then this other guy is adding all these moves and doesn't realize like how hard that's gonna be, basically. Okay, we got submodule working. So that's a start. And now how do you get it working on the CI is the question. Okay, uh-oh, my partner's messaging me. I'm in trouble. Okay, give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, what'd I miss? I'm back. All right, I'm reading chat. Hold on. Millie's always done like the binary. Mom, I don't think she implemented any of this yet. I have a repo with submodule support. I can link the build YAML. Oh, fuck yeah. All right, I'll take that. Thank you. Thank you, Nico and Mudskip. Probably fine. Yeah, she's fine. She yells a lot. That's just what she does. This has other changes, but the main focus is submodule and Golang Arvin. Hell yeah. Oh, extra types. No, God, stop. No. So much. Okay. So we're just gonna steal right from Nico. Okay. Build YAML. Okay. What does unused error do? You probably don't know. I'll ask Nico. It's fine. Oh, it's fine. Okay. So uses actions too. Okay. Reference to pizza. Yeah, that is actually me. Now that I'm thinking about it, you're right. Okay. Oh, God, I hate YAML so much because it needs fucking white space. Oh, God, this language. Okay. Recursive, and then this should also have, that's a good call for Golang Go. Yeah, that'll be the next Sonic game. He just refuses to go outside. Dude, I love that Nico commented out her tests. That's the funniest shit. Nico said, nah. Tests are for fucking nerds. We're not doing that shit here. It's me. Oh, this is your... Ah, it's you. Even better. Even fucking better. You're like, we're not doing that. Oh, wait. If this was you, then yeah, what does unused error do? Okay, this is for the CI, but why can't it... Oh, I did get it locally. Okay, cool. Oh, I see. And you don't... Oh, got it. I will leave that on, but good to know. That's awesome. Thank you. Okay, got updated CI. Okay, now on this CI run, it's not actually... Why do you install... unless you are... You are not building PoriScript, so why do you need Golang? Like you're just using the built binary, right? Or am I missing something? I don't think I am though. No, submodule makes you build from source, so you need Golang. Oh, I don't think I realized that. And then if that is the case, how does it know to run go build? Like where? I don't see that being called. What am I missing? It's in that make file in the PoriScript folder. Ah, so when you run make, it'll run make files in the sub folders? Is that what you are telling me? All tools are like that. I see. Okay, that makes sense to me. Okay, so let's see. I'm learning shit today. Thank you. Okay, so now if I look at... Okay, so this just failed CI instantly. Why? I promise you it's some fucking... Let's see. Details. 8 seconds. No URL found for... Oh, because I don't have PoryPal initiated correctly. Okay. I didn't do that one right. So I'm going to look at... Hold on. Pory script. Okay. It's like there's an init. Okay. No URL found for. I spent hours to make CI works with submodule, please. No, I have another submodule that I know I didn't properly instantiate, so I'm going to do that now. What's the... Although the fact that I can't find the file get modules has me slightly worried. Okay, here we go. Tools, PoryPal. The types are all, they are in Pokeemerald too. There's a graphics rule that takes all the, yeah. Yeah, it's probably just abstracted away in Fire Red, but basically it takes all the, there's a graphics rule that takes them all and just concatenates them all together into a giant image. It is fucked up. Yeah, I think if you go through Fire Red's graphic rules, you'll probably find it. Mudskip, we didn't have G-types info like a year ago. Like, that's a relatively new invention for us. Wait, how do I add this type? Yeah, Godspeed, soldier. This is a rhetorical question. Yeah, no, I get it. I get it. Yeah, you kids, better late than never. Dude, no, Frankfurter is one of my favorite people in the community. He just, like, finds abstractions for shit that I didn't even know I wanted abstractions for. And then I'm like, how did I live without this whole time? Now, dude is completely and totally goated. Yeah, he's, like, oh my god, he's so sick. Like, he doesn't talk in dev. So he just like comes out of nowhere and just hits you with the refactor. You're like, holy, my man's cooking today. It's so good. No URL found for submodule path tools Pory palette. But I have PoryPal, right? LS tools PoryPal. Yeah, I have it working here. Does anyone know the reason for sneaking and creeping? Like, what's the difference? I don't know what the difference is. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I would just look at the dexnav C file and just see where those are called and see if you can figure out how the game treats them differently. Like, I assume one of them is you can't run in this space. Oh, I think I know. I think the greater proximity one is if you run in this space, it'll go away. And then the smaller proximity one, if you don't creep, the Pokemon will run away. I think that's what it is. And creeping, I think, is like hold down B and walk. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. That's off the top of my head. I would look at the code. Do not trust me. I don't know anything. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Should I just kill? Okay, let's do this. Oh no, we're gonna do this. We're gonna move tools PoriPal to tools PoriPal dot back. Okay. And then oh no. RMRF PoriPal. Okay. Because you want this, because we're supposed to CD. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, cool. Tools PoriPal. Okay. Tool. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Okay. We're just gonna do this. Fuck it. Okay. And now, if I do this, what the hell? Okay, updated Git modules and root raw PoriPal. There we go. Pin your submodel. Thanks, PSF worked out. I'm a little smarter than a second ago. Hell yeah. I mean, that's what we do here. That's the community. Git checkout. Okay. And I want to check out the latest version, which is just main. So I don't need to do anything because they don't do... Do you do release tags? You I'm going to leave it alone. Okay. And then... in the same make tools, I will add PoriPal. And then when I clone, okay. And I need to add, okay, so let's do this. PoriPal. Okay. And then... okay. Okay, cool. Git add PoriPal submodule. Does PoriPal have a makefile? I don't know. I assume so. It doesn't look like it. Are you telling me that the CI is going to choke on it if it doesn't? Prob? Ugh, God. Alright, let's find out actually. Still like Oriency? Oh what? Yeah, I'm with Mudskip. What? Okay, it wasn't a instant fail, so that's like a start. Okay, we checked out the repo. Okay, all right. Pori currency. Oh, that's Pori and C. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. What a banger. They definitely tried to recreate the magic of the Gen 8 battle theme, and they didn't do it, but it's still pretty good. Like they did pretty good for failing at the 10-yard line, you know. You dislike Sword and Shields or Scarlet and Violet Stadium cheering? Let's see. Because in Gen 8, because it was part of music. Oh, annoying. Okay, I won't fight you on that. I liked it, but I can get why it would be annoying, especially because it's part of the track itself. Like even when you listen to the soundtrack, music itself is a banger. Yeah. Although, if memory serves, and we can just listen to it, the crowd doesn't get very loud. Same use. Dogs instruments. They don't get very loud until someone Dynamaxes, right? Or until the opponent Dynamaxes. Yeah. So it's bearable for most of the fight. Dynamax was the annoying bit. Yes. I mean, no argument. Go to make triple project, can't do literal first step. Oh no. Yeah, I'm not gonna defend Dynamax in singles. We did this. No argument from me. I think there's a different. Oh, okay. Go build Poriscript just shits the bed immediately. Why? Yeah, there's definitely a Python converge script for Fire Red. Yes, I can confirm that. Interesting. Oh wait, did it? Maybe it didn't shit the bed. There's no make file for PoriPal. That's what it is. Okay. No. I think you're right about PoriPal. I think. So how do I tell it? Is it the fact that it's a sub-module that is the problem? Like what? Because I've listed it as a tool. But if I don't do that, if I make clean, won't this thing get wiped? Let's just try it. Okay. Yeah, let's. Yeah, I'm expecting that to happen, but let's see. Git add, make tools, git commit, remove port, pal, make tools law. Okay. And then while that happens, let's clear some tabs. Sandwich song. Okay. Actions. Okay. Okay, it's grab and go lang, which is good. Why is this the whole tutorial? Oh no, I will kill someone. I mean, that's all you need. That is an accurate tutorial. I will defend Snade here. This is a factually correct tutorial. Like, what were they renamed to? What was what renamed to? Hold on, do I need to reread it? Okay. No, okay, fine. I see your point. Okay. You're right. It should be better than that. Okay, well now, Ruby, now's your chance to make the world a better place. Somehow a robotic lizard like sandwiched. Look, you can't think too hard about Scarlet and Violet. Your brain's gonna melt, okay? It's bad for you. Okay, so that's in there. Now I don't, but it is funny. It is funny. No argument. Tiles per metatile. The macro is probably literally called that. Tiles per metatile. I would be surprised if it wasn't just literally that. It's not. Damn it. I tried. You're on your own. It's between you and God now. Okay. Oh, okay. Mudskip. I have good news and bad news. Good news. I think PoriScript is working correctly. Bad news. This is the exact same problem I started the stream with. Where it just shits the bed on this file. Even though it runs locally. And the error message is useless. Oh, here we go. Line 3. Okay, why doesn't this catch it locally? PoriScript error, line 3. Line 3 of what file? Okay, it's this. So why does this file not fail locally is the question. Because as you can see here, it just builds. No problem. Maybe because you already have the ink. Okay, so let's do make clean then. Let's try that. That's a theory. It's like a cache, yeah. Okay, so I cleaned it. I think I just lost PoriPow, but that's okay. Oh, I didn't. Cool. Okay, so you did make clean, and now we're building. So if you're right, it should just shit the bed here, in which case all of this was totally unnecessary, but I am now technically the correct thing, so thank you anyway. You convinced me to move in the right direction. Okay, but while it's doing that, let's look at the file itself. Data, maps, scripts, Pori. This is line 3. What are you complaining about? Oh, the scripts file. Okay, data, maps. I can see Dad live at work. Yes, that's me. Dude, Lunos is also another goated one. Okay, there's no ink file now at all. I have not turned... Ooh, okay, Mudskip, you're onto something. You're cooking. Expected colon and or that after map script type return, but God... What the hell? What do empty map scripts look like in PoriScript? It's not just return? What the hell? Because if this is a problem, it's going to happen on all of my map scripts. I just dynamically generated them today. It's not return? Oh, shit. Fuck. You just leave them empty? Oh, well, then I have a bunch of fucked up map scripts. Okay, this is not good. Luckily, I can get a list of the fucked up map scripts, but I have to edit them by hand. Okay. Okay, this is fun. It's just empty. Damn it. Alright. Let's look at all my commits ever. Disabled cries, submodule. Where are you? Where is that? I think it's this commit. Nope, that's not it. Add new Pori file for maps. Yes. Yeah, all of these scripts then. Oh, is it just one? Hold on. Oh, I might be saved. Oh, it's just that one. These are all just normal empty. Oh, fuck yeah. We are cooking. I did not fuck them all up. some regex trickery. That's how I made it in the first place, was regex trickery. But I think we're cooking. Because you will be a human always found to be sold more. Oh, that is fucked. The content is just not in fire red. Holy shit, Ruby! It's just a raw fucking number. That is fucked up. Ugh, nope, it's another one. Do I have to just go through? Oh no. How do I find all of the fucked up map? How did these even get fucked up? I'm actually kind of confused now. Like, how did this happen? Data maps, Moreno, Port, Underground. I am familiar with Dragon Ball, yes. I know my first Fire Red PR now. Yeah, you got a lot of work to do. Hopefully they're not used that often. But yes, I know Dragon Ball. I know Dragon Balls and Dragon Ball Z. I am not familiar with Super or anything that happened after. Anything after Majin Buu getting murderized. I don't. People love Super, dude. I don't know, man. Didn't follow GT. Didn't follow Super. Didn't follow whatever the new one is. Like, I haven't seen any of the movies. So, very, 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 not up to date. No, Super and GT are separate. And don't say that in front of Dragon Ball fans. They will have you tarred and feathered. Your secret's safe with me, though. I won't tell them, but you know, just don't repeat that outside of this room. This is a safe space. Oh, like no one caring about Sirius. Yeah, I've never heard who cares about Super. I've definitely heard. Yeah. I don't know any GT defenders. I don't know a single one. Like, even as a kid, I remember being like, yeah, that's why I never watched it, because everyone told me, like, it's buns, don't bother. Have you seen the interaction of Future Gohan in games? No, the only Dragon Ball game I followed was, like, the Budokai games from before you were born, and then Dragon Ball FighterZ a little bit. But I haven't seen the other interactions, no. I will kill you, Gohan to his daughter. Holy shit. That's actually godlike. We stand Gohan. Yeah, I could do a regex script for, like, if map script is the first line and return is the next line, then fail, but that feels like not fun. There's got to be a better way. Apparently you can't do that in game, or can do it in game. Let me think. Oh, apparently you can do custom dialogues. Oh, I did not know that. Okay. Yeah, I didn't play or watch Sparking Zero at all. Okay, so if there's a Pori file and not an ink file, it probably has this problem. So I can probably list all the Pori files and then see if they have ink files that match. Ah, fuck it. I'll just do it the hard way. How many? If it's more than 10, I'll do it the long way, but I suspect it's not that many. In-game test shenanigans. Oh, we're putting it up on the big screen. Okay. These look really... Yeah, these ones you shut off earlier. Yeah, these look great. Open browser. Alright, there's sad. Here's annoyed. This one's not as clear that it's annoyed. I think if you hadn't said that, I would assume it's neutral. It's gotta have like a... Yeah, and it's hard to see her furrowed brow because her bangs just cover up her forehead. Like, it's a cute sprite, but it's not giving annoyed. And this one isn't giving angry either. This one feels like exasperated. Yeah, I don't know. Sort of a pout, like the... Yeah, no, I know. I saw the mouth of the annoyed pout face. Yeah, definitely. Sparking Zero had a part where characters were talked about between Videl, Bulb, and Chi-Chi, and it's really sad. Chi-Chi talks about Future Gone to be crying over his fate. Oh, that is sad. Like, I would have guessed this one was crying. Because I know the earrings are here, but they look like tears without context. But they are very cute. All three for sure. Like, they are good sprites. No argument. Okay, I think it was just those two files. I think we are cooking. We're back. We're so back. Were any of you around the time that Lunos and I tried to fix the libpng warning? Oh god, thank god it was just two files. Holy shit. Hell yeah. Get status. Okay. Get add. Okay. Dang, this is why I use LibreSprite instead. I think I vaguely remember Lunos opening a bajillion PNG files in LibreSprite. Yeah, that was it. It was Lunos opened like a couple thousand files in ASprite and just resaved it. And then I was like, oh, we could automate this. And so I wrote a script to do it, and it worked, and it got rid of all the errors, but it also completely destroyed transparency. And we found out like 3 weeks later when I filed a bug about eggs not having transparency, and Eduardo was like, you fucking idiot, you broke that. And oh man, it was a fun time for sure. Like, definitely a stupid mistake on me and Linus's part. Yeah, there was a command that I tried to run, but it did not work the way I wanted it to. And so, yes, hopefully one day somebody can figure it out, but I'm not doing, I already got burned once, I'm not doing it again. Fixed, incorrect, script. Okay. Push. Okay. And now, yeah. Let's pray up. Okay, here we go. What does this make file look like? When was the last time you shaved, PSF? I shaved before Pokemon X and Y came out. Is the last time I shaved. That is not an exaggeration. I'm dead serious. My hair just stops growing at a reasonable space that makes it seem... Yeah, I don't know how it stopped. But like, it just doesn't grow past a certain point, and it doesn't look that terrible. And I'll get like haircuts to like get it trimmed and like so it's like shapely, but it's never so out of control that it really matters. But yeah, I remember where I was living, and I know it was before X and Y came out. So, pre-2014 for sure. Okay, we're cooking. All right, I think we're... Is it running tests? Is it happening? The install went well. Okay. PoryScript's building. I think we have tests, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay. Alright, now let's... Uh-oh. I didn't like that. What was that? What was that error? I saw a fucking error. Oh, no. Do you lose beard oils and such? Like very minimal. Like extremely minimal upkeep. Okay, and now locally, I want to do make J check. Okay, and then I want to look at you. Okay, I have a crash right now in my game. Whenever Wally opens the bag, the game crashes, and I need to figure out why. Okay. Okay. So wait. Uh-oh. 3-day trim? Yeah, I should do that in a perfect world. A chieftain Pangoro? Maybe. Probably not. Okay. What is the smartest way? I think I'm going to build the tests. I think I'm going to work on fixing tests first, and then hopefully downstream that other problem fixes itself. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, and with Panchams, I do not. It's funny that I didn't even think of that. Okay, WSL shits the bed when making tests. Got it. Duly noted. I cannot do anything else while it is building tests. All right, well, let's see what's happening online. I guess you can be my little Pancham. This is about to get very interesting very fast. Oh, I forgot to remove the install PoriScript part of my old. That's funny. Okay, well, that's embarrassing. Install PoriScript. Okay. Why did the music stop? What's going on with the item printer? The sound output device has locked up and playback cannot continue. You will need to restart music B. Okay. That's interesting, but we can just do that. Watch this PSF. Okay, please hold. This will be your one react for the stream. A YouTube short. Nothing weird. It's on YouTube. How bad could it be? Okay.
Hey, Dad, let's have a match.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my god. That's amazing. That's okay, that's good. That's good. I'm not gonna front. That was good. I believed you. I mean, or I sort of didn't believe you. I was like, is that a typo? Like, I just assumed you had a typo. I did not think custom text was on the table. And that's on me. That's silly old me for not thinking that that could be. You did still need to see it. Fair. Come on, where are my tests? Less graphics, more tests. Test. Mudskip is a very educated meme person. That doesn't surprise me. Okay, local tests are happening. Okay, that's expansion, that's that. Okay. I do want to look at Quaff. Yeah, I know why that's happening. There are some tests I need to disable because I'm not using that functionality, and I'm like, my phone screen's bugging specifically around WR. Oh, like the keys? So I typo E a lot. Uh-oh. I am worried for you. This makes me sad. Move names fit on summary screen. Move names fit on meta screen. Alright, how do you... Actually... I need like a known failing test. Test. Let's see. Aha, okay. If I just throw known failing in front of it. Okay. Okay, so move names are fine. Moves fit on TM's, HM's bag screen. This doesn't matter. Okay. I should put a reason. I feel like I'm gonna like that later. Move name is bag screen is deprecated. Okay. Moving learner screen doesn't matter. Pokemon summary screen. Actually, hold on. This known failing. What great day not to be hit with the pregnant rat movie. Don't say that too loud. Fucking Pyre's gonna crawl the woodwork. The Pokemon summary screen is being deprecated. Pyre used to be in every one of these, so he might just show up again. You know, like wouldn't be surprised if he came back during Tark. Item names fit on bag screen. Okay, the bags. Okay, Tark 2 is gonna be insane for sure. Item names on PC storage. PC storage is not being used. Okay. Item names fit on storage system. That's staying, so that needs to be used. Okay. Yeah, Turtle Hidara combination. It sounds like it's gonna go super fucking hard. Team Star Stinky. You can't call the kids stinky. They're kids. You gotta be nice. Are you just stuck on Spencer there, CI, or did it just not update anymore? Okay, I think it got unstuck. Oh shit, it is stuck on Spencer. Why? Oh no, the CI just shit the bed. I don't understand. It's really cringy the behavior I like that they're going for. Oh my god, I finally got the triple layer conversion compile. Congrats. Okay, you got to compile. Did it work? How does it look in the game and or Pori map? That's the question. Yeah. Ugh, God, why are you stuck here? Alright, well, I'll come back to this. Okay. Kids being cringy is realistic, true. Shit's fucked up. There you go. I would leave the map you're on because the current map gets saved in the same block. I would nuke your save, but then tell me how it looks. Every species has a description. What are you looking for there? Ah, okay. There's some test I think that's causing it to. If it compiles, it works. Yeah, I cannot imagine anybody even jokingly saying that. Sounds unhinged. Species name fit on the Pokédex screen. Okay, well that Pokédex is not being used. Okay. I can see Rave. I'll be back. Alright, tell him I said hi. Okay. Okay. Species deck entry fit on. Okay. Pokemon summary screen, ability pop up. Okay. Okay. Pokemon summary screen is being deprecated. Type names fit on battle screen. I'll leave that for now. Okay. Battle strings on the battle message window. Okay. Alright, end of this file here. Cool. Huh. Alright, what do you do when the make file or when the CI just gets stuck on compiling one picture? When do you just quit? Yeah. Works fine on me machine. Yeah, same. Something has gone wrong. Oh, you posted a video. I didn't even see this. Oh, video's gone. Oh, there. What the hell? My computer is lagging a little bit. It does not. Oh, no. You're under the layers. Okay. Okay. Something has gone terribly wrong. You're close. You're so close. Oh, God. She's under the floor. No. You keep working on that, Ruby. Crawling under. That's a whole ROM hack all by itself. Fire Red Underground. Quick. Go, go, go. Is it hanging? Like, this looks like it's hanging, right? Also, I need to figure out how do I tell it to skip. How do I tell it to skip a test? Can I just comment it all out? Because if it causes it to hang, I don't even want to run it at all. Yeah, I think that's what I want. So let's do more usable emotions. Okay, okay. So walk me through them. This one looks like grimacing and then freaked out and happy in that order. Okay, okay, I see that. Okay, so this is test constant. Let's do test result. Okay, okay. Assumption fail, invalid. Okay, okay. Ah, okay, okay. What the hell does known leaking do? Dead inside, got it. Shocked, yep, I got that one. And tired, I think. Got a frisk under the vibe last one. I agree. It does look like she's about to stab me. That is the vibe that I got. Okay, there's no skip. Is there two? Okay, we're just gonna kill it because it's been running for 16 minutes now. Okay, what tests are we doing this in? Oh, interesting. Okay. And it's interesting that my tests, so on my laptop, I ran these tests too, and they timed out. Okay, but let's see. Okay, can train, hypertrain, effect. Okay, let's just start with this. Is this known failing? Okay. Okay, Pokemon C. Here we go. Hypertrain. Okay. Maybe Make Clean will fix it. That is indeed copium, but it can't hurt to try. Okay, so this makes a Wobbuffet. If true, run overworld script. And then you would expect it to be that +1 because it's a 100. Okay, so why doesn't it? Oh, because Getmon data will always be... Yes, I understand why this fails. Okay. Okay. And if I do this... Okay, and now... Okay. Source options battle. And then where is this used? And then oh, interesting. Okay, so what about should return? Aha, okay, here we go. So should return perfect values used. And in this test, I need... How do I change an option? Or I'll just hit known failing. Okay, let's see. This always fails because the default value is to always have perfect IVs regardless of stat. Okay. Yeah, I will always return a hyper-trained one. So I need to figure out how to set... I wonder, actually, if I can just do this. Options, battle. Battle options, individual values. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Actually, I want to use the... I could just use true false, but... They are enabled. Okay. Okay, let's see. Battle option, individual values enabled. Oh wait, no, I don't want that. I want... Okay, make, check, tests. Okay. Oh. Really? That's it? Okay, cool. Fix that. Fuck yeah. And then if you don't enable this, if you do disabled, then it should fail. Aha! Cool. Okay. Awesome. I need to export this somehow. Okay. Every species has a description. Okay. Alright, I need to export this to like a file somewhere. Okay. Okay. And then... oh, did I reset that? "26 minutes ago? Yeah, we're canceling the run. Yeah, okay, we'll try again later. Rerun all jobs? Sure. Okay. Okay, every species has a description. Alright, let's look at this. It's probably in Pokemon. Okay, fine. Doesn't work. Oh, there's a species file. Cool. Every species has a description. Okay. Who doesn't have a description? Who is failing this? G fallback Pokedex tests. Okay. You run that, and then you parameterize species to... Okay. What's G fallback Pokedex text? I should know it, but I don't. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. So probably my megas don't have one. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. Source data, Pokemon, species info. Okay. No, it does work. Okay. So who is failing that? I want to know. Okay. Let's see. Does it show me? Who failed? Test species 1. Yeah, I don't know who failed, so... Like, I can print the... It's gonna run every test, is the problem. Okay, I know what I'll do. So, debug, print... species, and then... pass. And then I'll do species, and then I'll run the same. Okay. And then run that, and then it'll just tell me. Oh, okay. Oh God. Okay. I know I got this working at one point. I think it's like include debug page, some shit like that. No. God damn it. Oh no, I just spelled debug wrong. That's cool. Kinda get me a... Okay. Alright, so who's won? Yeah, who the fuck is not passing? What the hell? Yo, it's Larry. It's just Larry. The rest of the Elite Four members are dismissed. I only want to hear from Larry at this time. And I'm about it, to be honest. Okay. Okay. And then if pass is not 0, then tell me who it is. Yes. Okay, and then... Okay. Huh? Wait, it just showed me that they were all 0. Is it the function? For real though, listening on a stream hits different because the auto quality is worse, or what? Does this return is okay? Not the same, huh? I mean, I would hope it's not as good. It should not be as good, right? Wow. And there's a very glitch I remember coming across. I'm trying to fix challenges menu stuff. Okay. Oh, it's the fog monster. I bet you it's the fucking fog monster. Species. Yep. Whether it's positive or not doesn't matter. I'm more curious. I agree it doesn't matter, I guess, in the grand scheme of things. What the hell is this song? Oh, is this the is this a Rhymes theme? It's just different vibes. Okay, all right. You're getting there. That is cooking, it looks like. Okay, here we go. Okay. Cooking a bunch of black plates. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay. Got it. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Should pass now. Mamma mia. Welcome back. BG3 is just fucked for some reason. For whatever reason, that was always being reset entirely when called in the new game context. Oh, what the hell? That is weird. Our report says successful transmission of hello to everyone. Oh, hello back. The challenge menu accepts working. Select all options, saving when called in an existing save file. Oh, turns out because save one. Yeah. That's exactly what I was gonna say. Is that your stuff's in a save block that was getting fucking yeeted. Alright, cool. Glad my very first guess was the thing. That never happened, so it's very validating. Okay. Alright, I should commit these as I go, as I fix each test. That would be the responsible adult thing to do. Damn, 2 cake pots back to back. Here we go. And then you. Okay. Adults, we stay kids. Yeah. Okay, test Pokemon. Fixed. Hyper training test and git commit.m. Oh no, this one add test species. Okay, fixed test. Okay, I'll push both those up. When you're a kid, you wanted to be an adult. When you're an adult, you want to be a cat. I moved everything to save block 2, which is the only save block that wasn't entirely reset. That is one way to go about it. That's probably the better solution. I wouldn't have done that, but you did the right thing for sure. Now that I'm thinking about it out loud. Like, what I would do instead is stupid. Alright, let's see. Did it freeze on Spencer again? Oh no. Okay, my CI is cursed and it won't generate anything past Spencer. Wait, this song has drift fail parts? Are you surprised? But yes, it does. Yeah, Blueberry has a ton, especially in the music. Like there is... Oh, dude, if you're a Unova fan, you should play it. For sure. No, I think like... This is like the biggest evidence to me that the game quality problem isn't Game Freak. Like there's so much love put into like those references that merely get you thinking like, damn, they really gave a shit. And I think that's super cool. The DLC is the best reason for you to play Star Wars. I agree. I think the DLC is like astronomically better than the main campaign. Still not great, but like a huge improvement. Okay, why does my CI get choked on this one file? Oh, did it not do it this time? Okay, I think we're out of the woods. Oh no, T for trainer, so it could still happen. God damn it. Here's a funny image before I sleep, okay? Good night, AJS. The weight of a night's tears. I don't get why it's funny, but it is a nice image. Frame rate still bottoming out faster than my expenses. That is a sentence. Later, AGS. Okay. I think we got past it. Yeah, we got to songs. Okay, so it was just that one build for some reason. I'd also put Unova in my Mario hack, not the whole ass region. Like, you get to go to like one place. That would be sick. I can get behind that. I definitely did not like Unova as a kid, but as I grow older, I appreciate it more and more as a region. I was unkind to it, and I was wrong. Okay. What's another one? Species Dex entry. Okay. Well, this one. Oh, another banger. Here we go. Okay. Test text. I do think a scenario where the player goes to his father's hometown in Unova. Yeah, that would be sick. Just like a plane ride. I'm about it. Species Dex entries. Okay. Okay, don't need that one anymore. But let's just make sure if it's known failing. Okay, let's see. A dad in Pokemon is weird. It could never have a dad. Alright, cool. That one's fine. Item names fit on summary screen. Why did that one fail? If it's a key item, continue. I agree. Okay. Actually, I don't really care. Because we're not using that summary screen either. Oh. Known failing. This summary screen will be deprecated. Okay, don't care about that. Item plural names fit on the back screen, same problem. Item plural names, yep, I did that one already. Item names fit on storage system. Okay, that one does matter because I'm not redoing this one. Okay. Good night, Ruby. Heck, my mom, you meet mom way late in the game. Is your mom the champion? Is that way late? I forgot Ruby and Mudskip live somewhere in East Asia. It's morning for me, must be broad daylight for you. I don't think Mudskip lives in East Asia. I mean, I could be wrong, but I am fairly certain that's not true. I'm Indian. Okay, okay. Damn. I had that all kinds of wrong. Ruby's Filipino. I did know that. Just a dirty American here. No, I did not. I thought. I straight up thought. Like, I didn't even know Mudskip was Asian at all. Like, I misplaced their accent as South American, which shows you what I know. I know. That's on me. And your time zone's lined up with like a couple hours ahead of me. Somehow I tricked you. You definitely tricked me. Pyre, my man, what's up? Someone clip that, Archie. Get it out there. Come on. Get on it. If I'm not getting stopped at the airport, next flight out, you have failed miserably. Going out and coming back in, the double. Okay, why does this... Yeah, I want to know what items are failing here. Elma, are you getting spam bots on Kick and like nothing else? I get them on Twitch too, but mostly Kick. Like, for every one spam bot on Twitch, there's like 3 on Kick, generally. Get string width. Okay. Okay, so if it's not, I want to know. Well, I feed abuse, basically. She ain't champion, but she's strong. Okay. So that's a good enough guess. I'll take it. Okay. If I want... Okay, hold on. If it string width is greater than with pixels, then write the name of it. So it's get item name, and then it's no, we'll just do... I wonder why we don't do that, actually. Okay, and then this one is... Ooh, another banger? Hell yeah. I just woke up to being sick. Not strong enough to not be kidnapped. I just woke up being sick, so I'll probably be AFK to hit some sooth. Alright, feel better, Pyre. Do I want to copy item name? No. Have you seen Shadow Cinematics from Sonic Generations? I have not, because I want to play. I have not played Shadow Generations, and I need to. So I just haven't engaged with it at all. So please no spoilers, thank you. Please, I need to hover over that text and it needs to say Shadow gets a Latina. Please. Please. I need it. It's so good. Have you seen the Mooney video essay about it? The oval charm doesn't fit. What the fuck? Yes, yet. Moon Channel is like goated all by itself, but also just the fact that that meme exists is so good. Okay, hold on. Do I have this wrong? Item names fit. Oh. Hold on. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Item, okay, item names fit on Pokemon storage system. Regarding Shadow Generation, it doesn't spoil anything except it's a retelling of Shadow's story. Okay, good. With a few more scenes where Shadow reminisces. Awesome. Shadow gets Latinas. Yes, nailed it. Fuck yeah. I'm so proud of you, Mutskip. Isn't there a meme that compares Sonic's side of Shadow's side of the game? And Sonic is all fun, and then Shadow is opposite. I have not seen that meme, but I'm sad if that's true. Is Rouge the Bat Latina? It's such a good fucking video. If you guys haven't watched it, I'll link it in the chat. But I mean, Moon Channel is just like goated all on its own, but then that video is just like fucking cinema, dude. Rouge Bat Latina. Here you go. It's so good, dude. That's one hell of a search. Look, my search history is a lawless wasteland. Ah, shit. I did the thing again where I didn't... Shit. I don't have YouTube chat enabled. So anybody who was talking on YouTube, I just haven't seen them this whole time. Damn it. Let's see. Pop out. It does say there were some viewers, but... doesn't tell me if they were watching. Although I'm going to leave soon, so there's no point in me fixing it now, but I'm going to fix it now anyway. Okay. And of course it doesn't mute me. Alright, we have fixed that. Cool. We're back. Chat, is this true? I can confirm I'm not a Latina because I can't use the A in that. But I will otherwise leave my ethnicity a mystery. Names fit on Pokemon storage screen. Is it just the oval charm? Wait, what? Oh, I need to know what item does. Okay. Item. Okay, let's try this. Oh, whoops. Okay, so ambiguous. Yes, I'm the Rock. Just complete ambiguity. G items info item dot name. But I also need the numbers, so you're gonna give me that. Okay, so item. Okay, let's try this. I thought I knew what PSF looked like for a while. Turns out it's PayPal's not his favorite. You are not the first person to get mixed up like that, Archie. What's going on, Sonic? PSF is spoiler. You have one for ROM hack and one for IRL. No, I can't have a PayPal account for complicated reasons, so there is a person on my team who handles all payments for the project. I pay him in various currencies, and he pays people with real money. Pays him in Hello Kitty coin. I mean, it is usually crypto, so you're not completely wrong. Let's see. Illegal immigrant on Trump's list confirmed. I'm going to make a PayPal for a comm soon, and I'm not sure about sharing my IRL name. I mean, there are ways around this, like people who are like trying to not show their dead names too. We have to like set up like a company, whatever. Like it's a ton of work, but it is certainly possible. I was able to make a PayPal account with no personal information for some reason. That's surprising. You have it hooked up to like a bank account? Like it works? It's also possible you did, if you did it a while ago, then maybe, but that it would be surprising in 2025 that somebody got that working. I use my normal PayPal, but I have it set up with a Team Aqua's Hideout business thing. It was easy. Oh. The guy on my team has said that I should do that. We should do that. Archie, to avoid the very mix-up that you got caught by, we just haven't like pulled the trigger. What is item 982? Let's see. Items 982. Aha, that's why. Okay. Oh, it's all the TMs. Wait, I'm actually shocked that that's what triggered it. More answers is nice. Agreed. You're locked in. Okay, HM01. Oh, I actually have no. Interesting. Okay. Can I DM you something? I don't get why you're asking. You DM me stuff all the time. Like what? What am I missing here? Like what changed today? Go for it, dude. If I didn't want you to DM me, my DMs would not be open to you. How about that? I am not. Why? I'm curious. Like what led you to believe that I was? You can DM and answer. That's fine too, but yeah, I feel like I have been very ambiguous. And so I'm surprised that you even had a guess. You gotta see this. Is that for me? Do I need to see this? Let's see. That's it. Okay, that was good. That was good. You got me. You fucking got me. That was good. So I'll have to pay monthly with PayPal? No, PayPal's free. They'll charge you fees on like big amounts. But for regular, yeah, they charge fees for like large, yeah, but it's not monthly. It's like if I'm sending Archie $1,000, PayPal takes like $2 of it. But Archie, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think even at our values, it's never taken anything off the top. Correct me if I'm misremembering that. Okay. Let's see. Does this fit? Journal page. Ah, okay. So when there's nothing, it does not like that. Okay, fine. I see the sign option say you don't get this when you use a pro account. So I don't know. It also could be like a region thing. Like it wouldn't surprise me at all that every region has different things set up. Wait, what the hell? Item names fit. Why does it journal page 1 fit? I don't understand. Item names fit on storage system. Okay. Oh, that's not the one. That's failing, is it? Oh, it is. It says... Wait. 1102. A U 1102. Ah. Okay, I get it. It is failing when there is nothing. So I need to tell it. Okay, understood. Ugh, I don't want to reorder my fucking items right now, though, so... You can pay friends and family to avoid the fees, but you can't be doing it as business account then. You can do it anyway, even though it's technically for business. Yes, that is all sounds correct, but I think even for friends and family at huge quantities, they will still take a cut. The fees for the business transaction is just like the fraud protection stuff, if memory serves. Where like if someone defrauds you, I don't remember the numbers, but I think it's like at 5 digits it starts becoming a problem. But I couldn't like definitively say it's this number. Okay, let's play a game. Does anyone have easy ways to renumber my items file? Like I just want to tell it from here, start at number. Ugh, I know there's like a website to like generate list of numbers to start at 1102. And that's what I should actually do. All right, fine. I'll just do it right. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. Oh no, a 23-minute test. Jesus Christ. Okay. Just ask ChatGPT to do it. I could do that, yes. But then I have to double check it. I don't want to do that. But you are right that an LLM could probably do it. Okay. Expect... Okay, so I can get rid of... Actually, I'll comment it out for now. But now at least I know that the problem is not the item name, it's that there is no name. Okay, so if I do this... And then... Oh my god, Kick, what is wrong with you? Jesus. Oh, okay. Okay. What the hell? Why are you not pasting? Plus Y. Yeah. Copy. Uh-oh. Something is wrong with my clipboard, and that is not good. But what we're going to do is just do this. Okay, so now... Sorry for the HDR colors. I will look in a second. Ooh, another banger. Absolutely goated song. Okay, let's see. With your limitless power, you can do anything, Black Doom. You can bring about world peace. Well, I don't want to usher world peace. I want to see you run through Radical Highway. Yeah, I cannot wait to play and have like more context for that. But I mean, Radical Highway is sick, so can't get mad about it. Like, it is what it is. Oh, that's right, Sonic. Obviously, you are a Sonic fan. If you scroll up, we were talking about Jet. Who can really... Yeah, what is a unique joke, really? There's like a web tool that like you tell it. Yeah, and I want to just start at 11:02. Yeah, here we go. And I want to be fucking... Generate, okay. Copy all. Okay, and then how many items actually need to be renumbered is the question. So it's like all of these, all of these. These. Okay. Okay. 88 minus... Ugh. Okay. The accounting website sucks now? Oh, is there a known one that sucks now? Didn't even know. Blissfully unaware of suckage. Okay. Alright, I think we've cooked. And then this is 88. How did it go up? That's not good. Okay. Alright, let's see if it compiles. Okay. Alright. I just use VS Code multi-cursor extension. I mean, that's what I'm doing now. Or I have a different... Oh, no. Okay. I have a Sublime extension, but it does from 0 to X or 1 to X, but not from X to Y, unfortunately. Soap scope. 1220. Oh, I see what happened. How did that happen? Okay. Interesting. Ugh, I have to do it again. Shit. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, this goes... here, right? Okay. And then all of you, all of you, all of you. All of you. All of you, okay, and you. 84, okay. And then 84, okay. Okay. All right, round 2. Oh, actually, it should start at 1099 because those numbers were not real. Okay, so 1099. Let's just do 1199 so I don't have copy out. Okay. Let's see. 84. Okay. So let's do this. Okay, cool. When the infinite spray doesn't infinitely multiply, what if I spray it with? Not quite. It needs a better name for sure. Actually, I do have a better name. It's just not what the constant is named. But it's just a repel that doesn't go away. Or a lure. You can upgrade it later in the game to be a lure. Or a repel. But I'll make sure to have some dialogue in my game about that specific interaction because that's funny. Alright, plan is to go in like 10 minutes, so hopefully I get this one test working and call it a fucking stream. Come on. Yeah, super successful. Got a lot done today. 3 weeks to go? Yeah, in theory. Yeah, I don't... Again, I would be surprised if I streamed again in the next month, but we'll see. I was surprised by today. Basically, it's like, if plans suddenly get canceled, I'll stream. But other than that, don't expect to see me till July. Maybe even August. Yeah, and I appreciate people showing up. I'm glad people are enjoying it. That's like the whole point, you know? Yeah, look, I would love for it not to take that long. That would be fantastic. Welcome back, Pyre. Pyre, what do you have? And what I'm actually asking, Pyre, is something going around that I should be afraid of? I mean, good to know the chicken noodle. Probably a cold. Okay, good. I don't know. Look, NorCal was, you know, where that ship was docked with COVID a couple years ago, okay? Like, a lot of patient zeros running around certain parts of SF. Oh, okay. Fair enough. Item names fit on Pokemon storage system. Okay, something's still broken, which is fine. Oh, I know why. Yes, that's why. Okay. Okay. Ratvid 19. Gonna keep making COVIDs till we have COVID 69, and then we're gonna stop. It was first transmitted by bats, yes. Oh god, I am not responding to that. That is gonna get clipped out of context in 3 years. Can't have that. Can you hear the fireworks where you are? I can't, but I have my noise canceling headphones, so let me see. Hold on. Okay, I'm back for a second. I will be right back again. Okay, there are no fireworks. Or rather, I cannot hear fireworks. The official mascot for C++ is an obese diseased rat named Keith whose hind leg is missing because it was blown off. What the fuck? The above image is a contemporary version drawn by Richard Stallman. Jesus Christ. What am I looking at? I am not posting this. They're at Pier 27 according to my dad. Ah, okay. Yes, I am far away from Pier 27. That's why I cannot hear them. Some sports thing. And nearly threw my pot of soup because it startled the shit out of me. Oh no. Nope, nothing here. Wait, what the hell? It still failed? Okay, well, let's turn the test back on then. Okay. Okay. Yes, you do know this one. We're praying. Don't let them hear you say that shit, dog. 11:02. Item pantry. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Item. God, we better not get it. No, Pyre, I think you missed this conversation, but Zed and I were both saying a while back that, like, the best case scenario is nothing happens. Which I imagine you would agree with your chest. Like, the best Gen 5 remake is no Gen 5 remake. I've been saying that for years. Did you also say it about Gen 4, or did BDSP radicalize you? Welcome back, Ruby. No, Sonic, stop, please. I can't. My heart cannot take this pain. It will hurt me. I don't know what that's like the perfect answer. I don't know what shit I was saying before, but today you better believe it's a no shot. My life flashed before my eyes. I want Gen 5 remakes so the Gen 5 kids realize not the whole. No, Archie, you're gonna have the opposite effect. The remakes are not going to be good, and then the Gen 5 kids are gonna triple down. That Gen 5 is the greatest, and this is like everyone has to go play the real thing. Like, I also don't think I'm a Gen 5 enjoyer, but I don't think they're the holy grail, but like, this is just going to radicalize the kids. That didn't stop Gen 2 fans. Fuck that, Gen 5 is peaking, Game Freak real. See? This is look, you already got Pyre going off. That's what I'm talking about. You can't, you just let it go, Archie. Everything went to shit after Gen 5. I think IMO Gen 5 was the last solid generation. And then yeah, there's a lot of things to discuss after that. That's what I'll say. Things to discuss. And excluding spin-offs. I am excluding spin-offs in that as well. What is that quest called? Let's just do master. Damn. I love it. You gotta just swinging. I admit though that the decision in Gen 2 directly led to Gen 5's failure. Go on. Oh, what does the branching timeline look like where Gen 5 sold well? Yeah, what? I feel like Gen 5... No, hold on. Gen 5 sold fine, but Gen 6 completely trounces it. The idea of all previous games mods being included. Oh, as in you think they should hard reset every gen. I think that's a reasonable thought. Yeah, 100% agree with Zed just said that Gen 5 is Game Freak's finest work, and then they had to start all over. Yeah, if you look at X and Y sales, hell, not having a Dex at Gen 3 was no. Okay. You youngins in the chat, Pyre and I will tell you, everyone gather around. Gen 3 did have a Dexit. Gen 3 had a Dexit for years. You couldn't get Kanto or Johto mons for the first 2 years of Ruby and Sapphire. And Archie's right, and it was fine. It was like nobody was mad. It was cool. Yeah, they went back on it in Gen 4, which is the problem. I mean, and what's unfortunate is that from my understanding, the only reason it happened in Gen 3 was not a game design decision, but it was them trying to beat the rental market. And it just happened to be a good game design decision at the same time. And yeah, Pyre, I'm fine with... Dude, if we just got... If Game Freak from 2010 to now just kept pumping out Gen 5 variations, I would not be making a Pokemon game now. I will find you the Game Rentals video. The source is people who are smarter than me, but also a great YouTube channel worth watching. Oh, here we go. There you go. Yeah, solid fucking... What up, Ninja? I didn't see you there. Yeah. Insanely great video and great channel. But the TLDR is like... It is impossible to complete the Pokedex during a week rental. Well, from a content perspective, game design-wise, still makes sense. 100%. Oh, Zed, I was on the front lines of in Gen 5. I was saying it was unacceptable that Game Freak wasn't doing 3D. Like I was on the front lines of that, and I was just wrong. Like I want to go back and punch younger me. I had no idea what I was talking about. Like I did not know the evil that I was about to help unleash onto the world. Like you are right. That's what would have happened because that's what did happen. But look, there's no way for me to have known the horror that was going to befall us, you know? Yeah, no, Pyre, I'm not defending now. Like, now I know better, right? Uh, 2.5D, whatever you want to call it. Like, that is the, to IMO, the peak. You're only saying that because we know better now. Yeah, no, I think that is because, and Pyre, I'm interested in what you thought of the Pokemon Stadium series, but I thought they were fantastic. Like, as a kid, like, Pokemon Stadium and Coliseum were my arguments for why it was unacceptable that Pokemon hadn't gone to 3D. I knew better then. Oh, okay. So you didn't like the, like, home console games? I'm just curious. Swiftly preemptively dodging the cancel this man's streams. Look at Pocky, it's not my first or second rodeo, okay? Oh, I didn't have a home console growing up. Oh, I wonder if that's part of it. But no, I like the home console games were 100% why I felt the way I did. It was like I've seen it in 3D and they've done them really well. There's no excuse not to have done this. "3D models of Pokemon designed in 2D era just look like shit." Yeah, I don't. Archie, are you talking about all 3D models ever, or the ones we got in X and Y that we've just been updating since then? Hockey being on Twitch is funny in a way I can't describe. I agree. Okay, we're just gonna do... Hi, Pocky. I mean all the ones in games they've released. Okay, but it doesn't answer my question. I'm asking because the Stadium and PBR models are different models, or Stadium and Coliseum models, and I think those models are great. So that's how I'm trying to figure out if you disagree with that sentiment. I never played those games. Ah, okay. That's fine. If you never play it, that's fine. But like, I think those models are gorgeous. And I agree that every model that you've seen is not great. Most mods don't aggressively divide perspective outside of foreshadowing art. Hell, I saw someone recreate Gen 1 sprites in 3D. I have also seen that. Complete tangent to all that. I really like what Cobblemon is doing. I have not been paying attention to Cobblemon, but please educate the kids. They need to know. That's right. I'm searching on Bulbapedia for beans. Oh, that does look really pretty. Thank you for the follow on Twitch, Ruby. Greatly appreciated. It's just cute and good. That's very cute. Have you seen Pokemon Quest? Those designs are also, I think, really good. Like, just like a very, very... It's a Minecraft style. Obviously, it's Minecraft, but it's really good to keep the aesthetic. Yeah, no, I think that's incredibly good. Okay. Ingredient used for making meals. Restaurant. Okay. And if I do this, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, and then this is... Okay. Yeah, Pyre, I'm curious if you've seen Pokemon Quest and all, and if you also like that aesthetic or not. Made by an entirely different dev team, but also very much like we have to keep the aesthetic while also going through an entirely different art style. Granola. Okay. Pokemon Quest is kind of ass IMO, but I'm not a super fan of that Foxel style. Alright, alright. Unless you're talking about the gameplay, not the art style, because the gameplay is like, whatever. I think it's super mediocre at best. I played it for a little bit, I beat the main game, the art style. Okay. Alright. I don't think I've ever played it. Yeah, don't. It's fine. Game Freak's issues, they got rid of the CG modelers, creatures, Bauhaus, rarely evolved as cult bases. 3DS models should not be that high poly. We had to get the awkwardly fudge proportion just to play better on a 240p handheld. Yeah, because isn't that what happened? Is like creatures just got dissolved into working on various Nintendo Game Freak things, but they're the guys who did the models for the Nintendo 64 games. Am I remembering that correctly? The Kinglerite. Interesting. Not quite. The head HAL staff contribute. Okay. Yeah, this is not my super... Like, it's... I know a lot here, but the little things like that I would forget for sure. Wait, why does the Hopo Berry not have a description that fits? Wait, what the hell? Okay. They would take their work from Stadium XD for PBR. Yeah, I remember that. Until they got Bauhaus to make new bases for Gen 1, Gen 4. And then it was all over from there, kids. I did not know that Pokepark used those new models. Today I learned. Okay, I told my partner I was getting off stream soon. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. I will see you guys, I don't know when. Hopefully soon. But thanks for being cool. Love you guys. See you guys around. Peace.